Welcome back to the Urban Ranch, version 2.0, episode 37. What may not appear to be that significant is a little bit of work that little Chewy is doing here in the corner. Now, this area is going to be a future bar area for the Urban Ranch. And what we have is an antique Coca-Cola beverage bin that has a drain in the corner of it. Well, thinking ahead, what little Chewy is doing here is running a drain pipe that'll actually connect into the gutter system of the outdoor roof, so that after entertaining and having a trough full of ice, as that ice melts, it'll just drain right down through that drain and out into the street, without having to then scoop the water out and whatnot. So again, just a little future planning and a little piece, but just make life a little bit easier for entertaining needs down the road. Now the work's really begun in the yard space. You can see guys here, as well as myself, helping them along. We're putting in drain tile to ensure, again, that we have adequate drainage for the yard. There's eventually going to be an artificial lawn that'll be put in here by Forever Lawn. And underneath what will eventually be the pergola, you can see we're actually laying historic Nelsonville brick star pavers that Crystal and I were fortunately able to source several years ago. About 500 of these historic bricks that unfortunately you can no longer find and obtain. But we got those laid down, and those will undergo sit underneath the pergola that'll eventually be installed. Here's some of that same work being viewed from above, from the balcony, looking down. And again, you can see really critical that we have paid attention to our civil engineering drawings to make sure that the yard is appropriately pitched so that water runs away from the house. You can see new gutters being put on both the garage as well as the outdoor bar area. That's that area wrapped in the iPay wood. A little bit more landscaping, and we're going to lay down some custom cut limestone pieces right here that again, helping with the guys get those laid down to minimize overlap sections of those. Really just went really well that day. Couldn't ask for better weather on a day like that. Little Saturday morning meeting there with Benson, Autumn, and Chuck, as we do every Saturday morning at 8 a.m. Make sure that the project is staying on a schedule as it is. And as we like to say, more to come on the next Urban Ranch version 2.0.